Hi everyone, Luke Mangan here, and from my kitchen to yours. We hope you're enjoying this week's Healthy Eating Challenge. My heart healthy dish from the Heart Foundation and Coles Cook with Heart Challenge is Chicken Parmigiana. This heart healthy recipe is really simple to prepare. It takes about 10 minutes preparation and about 30 minutes to cook, and it is delicious. All right, I'm gonna get some chicken breasts and we're just gonna cut these into about 4 pieces. Got a pan nice and hot. Now we're just gonna sear this chicken off. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Gonna set them aside on a plate, cover them with tin foil and let them rest. All right, so we just need 1 onion chopped or diced. 1 garlic clove, we're gonna crush that and then, crushed or chopped. Finely dice this eggplant. I just love fresh tomatoes, and these are beautiful vine ripened ones, and they're just gonna add some beautiful flavor. Just very roughly chopped tomatoes. When using fresh herbs, especially basil, I don't even mind if there's some stalk in there. Lots of flavor. About a cup of basil. So as this is a really heart-friendly dish, substitute fresh herbs, dried herbs and spices instead of using salt. And it smells absolutely beautiful. So we need about 3 cups of spinach leaves and 310 grams of roasted pepper strips. Just drain them off. All right, so same pan that we've cooked that chicken in, we're just gonna add the onions, garlic, the eggplant, and now I'll just add those peppers. It's gonna be a beautiful sauce. So that's now been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just gonna add the fresh tomato and the tin tomato. So we're gonna cook this one out for about 4 or 5 minutes until it thickens up. I'm gonna add the spinach leaves and the basil, and that'll just wilt down. Then what I do, I put those little chicken cuts in a baking dish. I top that with all this beautiful heart healthy goodness and just spread that out. So we need 1/2 cup of reduced fat mozzarella cheese. And then of course, some breadcrumbs just to finish it off. And then I'll put that into an oven about 200 degrees. That's been in the oven for about 20 minutes and it looks great. I just want to finish that with a few green beans that I've just cooked in some water. And there you have my amazing heart healthy chicken parmigiana.